What kind of emotional issues do you have?
I don't think I have any emotional
Other than
issues.
dealing with a brain-injured daughter?
That's a tough one right there in itself. You know, you go from being a normal family, and then in a split second, your whole entire life changes. And no fault of your own. You're just thrown into a situation. It's tough. It's very difficult.
What are the biggest problems you have dealing with your daughter?
I think it's more of an issue with me of her being more politically correct out in public than she actually is. She's blunt and to the point and calls a spade, and she says things that maybe might not be appropriate at the time. That bothers me.
There's a term in the brain injury circle called disinhibition. Have you heard that with
Yes.
reference? Is that what you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
And explain what you think that to mean.
Well, if we're with an adult in a group or camping, whether it be out for dinner or something like that, and she brings up the situation and you had to say it about the Jonas Brothers, you know, out of the blue, she just starts talking about something that we have no clue what's going on, but she brings up the topic, and that bothers me. I mean, nobody really wants to hear about it.
Okay. Does your wife deal with those problems better than you do?
No, I don't think so.
So you both have the same problems?
Yeah.
What are you doing to try to continue to mature her in those ways?
Well, I try to let her know that current events are more important than the Jonas Brothers. You know, watch something more age appropriate, read more, the newspaper. You know, people like to talk about stuff that's in the news, on the papers and stuff like that. And then you can carry on a conversation with somebody that, you know, that have an adult. She gets along better with adults than she does kids her own age. So we try to get her in that genre that they can have a conversation with her.
Have you tried podcasts with her?
It's very difficult to have her do anything on a computer or something like that.
Now that would be like on an iPod or an iPhone, where you actually can listen to news and current events. If she does better with auditory learning.
No, we've never tried the
Audiobooks?
podcast. We do the audiobooks.
Does she like those?
Yeah, she does like the audiobooks.
The